Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Now, for this episode, it's obviously a little different. It is what's in the bag. You can see she a little tore up. She's definitely like ripped open. It appears everything is in here and you can't really see anything. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I want to let you guys know that all the What's in the Box episodes this week, which are all bonus episodes because I kind of slacked during the holidays, but they're all to do with the mini. They're all mini related. And it kind of, What's in the Box is kind of put a damper on. You guys can see behind me here, like we had a ton of snow out here in Washington the last day. So installs might have to take a little longer. I might even show you guys outside with the mini, but let's go ahead and get into what's in the bag. Let's get into it here. I also got this stuff on AliExpress. If you watched the last What's in the Box video, you saw all the strut braces and chassis braces that we got. So this is from the same website, different seller, but let's go ahead and get into it. So our first little box here. There we go. All right, guys, as you can see, we got everything laid out here, and we obviously have some lighting. So in the center here, we actually have smoked Skuttle lights, which if you own a mini, you know exactly what these are, but it's actually the Skuttle is a portion in between the front fender and the front door. And then they're turn signal lights, and what these actually are, are smoked sequential LED Skuttle lights. So they actually sequentially light up with your turn signals. I'll give you guys a spoiler alert. You guys know Will, if you watch the channel, he's got a mini. He actually ordered from this seller, got them and installed them quicker than I could do this unboxing video. So maybe you'll get a chance to see them. But as usual, I will definitely post the link in the description to get all this stuff. We'll get into more here. So these are front and rear fender lights, so marker reflector lights, but they're also LED and they're also smoked. So like I said, if you have a mini, the front and rear fender flares are already textured black, and you have, let me look, I can't even see them, they're so full of snow. But I believe the fronts are yellow and the rears are red. Which these are true to still, but you can't see them, and so they'll just kind of blend in for a really sleek look. I also ordered these on sale. Let me see if I can look this up really quick for you guys. I ordered the same time as the strut package that I got on the 11/11 sale, so it's slightly cheaper. These weren't like a crazy deal because I think normally they're priced pretty reasonably. So let me see. All right, right here. So These are all from the same seller. They are listed in different pages though. So the smoked LED sequential Skuttle lights were $18.87. So about 20 bucks, about $19. And that was shipped. There was no additional shipping for those. And that's regular price. That's not what I paid. I think I paid a few dollars cheaper. And then as for these guys, I bought these in a set together. So these were in the same sale. Now you can, it has an option for you to buy just the fronts, just the rears, whatever you want. But together as a package, all 4 pieces here were $28.86. And that is free shipping as well. And these honestly didn't take that long to ship. I think I got these in 2 or 2.5 weeks. And from China, I mean, I think that's fine. Like I said, Will already got these and the quality is really good. They look awesome. As usual, like I said, I'll post the links in the descriptions where you can buy this stuff. And then I will also post seller pictures so you can kind of see, because they have pictures of all these lit up and how they look. And like I said, because Will already has these, they really are true to what they're showing on the page. So yeah, build quality, I mean, is every bit as good as everything else that you'd see as far as, you know, bumper lights. They're plastic, but they're thick plastic. They definitely feel solid. The wiring is good. Like, I know sometimes you order stuff like this and the wiring is kind of a little shoddy, but no, everything looks really good. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy so far. Obviously, we'll have to wait and do the install. But yeah. All right, guys, that's where we're gonna go ahead and end this episode of What's in the Box. As you guys can see, our lighting looks really nice, and it's really gonna help out the look of the Mini. Actually, I told you I might show you guys a sneak peek, but for real, check out this weather outside though. Look at the Mini. Oh, you can't even, yeah. So the fronts are the yellow, the rears are the red. But as you guys can see, not a whole lot of car stuff being worked on in this weather. I think it's like 10 degrees. It's super cold. But anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys with one last little B-roll of the lighting that we just unboxed. And then we'll see you guys on Friday. See you on the next one on Factory Fiction. Have a great day. Peace.